Okay, so now I'm doing something that I probably shouldn't be, but yeah, I never really did kind of care for playing by the rules until, of course, something goes pit-pat. I'm updating the BIOS on this thing. And that's the sort of thing that can usually kind of put the fear of God into you. I don't know why I'm laughing. Well, it's on BIOS revision A16. I don't know whether it was on that before, but it is now. Yeah. Unless it... I don't know what happened there, but it was scary, whatever it was. Yeah, and this is why you should probably play by the rules. Actually, no, I'm not gonna advise that in one of my videos. James. But, well, if you don't play by the rules, at least try and exercise caution with what you're doing. I mean, yeah, I could have potentially ended up with an X Dell Latitude C610, and that's really not what I want for this machine. Anyway, back to the driver installs.